Hello, my name is Waruna Makafu. Today we're going to practice pronouncing the sound mm. The sound is produced by saying the letter M with your mouth closed and sustaining it before adding a vowel. The Setswana word for savior is muluki. Muluki. Leina la gagwe ke muluki. The Setswana word for enemy is maba. Maba. A ke tsala kgotsa ke maba. The Setswana word for soil is mu. Mu. Mu ga wa siamela go lengwa. The Setswana word for spectator is mogedi. Mogedi. Ke tla bo ke sa tshameke. Ke tla bo ke le mogedi fela. The Setswana word for poet is moki. Moki. Ke mmoki yo itsegeng lefatshe ka bophara. Remember, practice makes perfect. Keep on practicing the sound until you get it right. Ke a leboga.